सप्लाई इनवॉइस की लोडिंग पे ये तय हो जाए कि दोनों पार्टीज ने जो क्रेडिट्स क्लेम किए हैं वो उचित है कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये 3 अलग अलग प्रेजेंटेशंस थे और उसमें से ये डिस्कशन की दिशा बनी। तो अगर एक वाक्य में कहूं तो इट फाइनली वाज कल्मिनेटिंग इन अ डायरेक्शन दैट इनिशियली देयर विल बी अ 3B return and there would be a supplier's invoice which could be adequate. So this would be a very simple process. Council felt कि इसके ऊपर जो मिनिस्टर्स ग्रुप है वो और हमारी आईटी कमेटी और नंदन नीलेकनी एक बार डिस्कस कर लें और इसको फॉर्मलाइज कर लें और कुछ दिनों के बाद इसको हम राइटिंग में मिनिस्टर्स को सर्कुलेट कर देंगे काउंसिल में, एंड वी विल प्रॉब्ली हैव अ मीटिंग, द 26th मीटिंग ऑन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, and try and approve this alternative system. So today it was discussed but not finally approved, but it's moving in that direction. The Council also reaffirmed its decision that on the 15th of January, on a trial basis, the e-way bill system has begun. And on the 1st of February, interstate e-way bill loading will be necessary. 15 states have said that they will also start on the same day the intrastate e-way bill. And therefore, the trade in the transport industry is expected to comply with the e-way bill requirements itself. The Council also reviewed the GST collections, and of course there was an opinion that so far we have been relying on the unilateral declarations of the trade itself, and it is therefore necessary to build in some anti-evasion measures. And the e-way bill itself will be an important anti-evasion measure. There was a subcommittee to define as to what items would be covered under the handicrafts. It was headed by the CBEC chairperson, Mrs. Sarna. That report was considered and accepted. And now the fitment committee will fix the rates for about 40 handicraft items. There could be some more added to it because some states wanted some more additions to be added to it. There was a recommendation of the fitment committee both with regard to goods and services. In some cases, there were a recommendation in regard to 29 goods and 54 categories of services. In the services, there were some categories which were actually explanatory in nature. So these 29 goods and eventually 53 categories of services